Happy Valentine's Day, the RC Sailor way. Everybody wanted to see Popeye. He is alive and good and happy.
Happy Valentine's Day, Abby.
Yeah.
Abby.
Happy Valentine's
Not the
Day.
RC Sailors.
This is yours.
Abby.
Yeah.
This is mine.
So how many people that are watching now thought this was for me? Abby loves this stuff. I wish this was for me. And all the guys watching, every guy watching that has a girl in their life, have you ever been jealous of the thing that you got for your wife for Valentine's Day? Probably not.
Alright, just to be clear, this is mine too.
Yeah, and you know what? This is mine. No, in all honesty, if your budget, because this is an expensive Valentine's Day gift, if your budget can't sling one of these two cars, we highly recommend this little car. This thing is a fraction of the cost, and it is literally just as much fun. So if you're interested, we'll have that linked in the description box. All this stuff is linked down there.
I'll show you what me and Amelia got for Nate for Valentine's Day.
I love it. I love it.
That. We made Nate amazing cookies.
You know
I
what?
get expensive truck.
They're delicious. I have no complaints. I got the $2 worth of cookies. She gets this.
It's made with love. It was made with love.
We decided that this is yours, and now if this is yours, how are we gonna race them? Because
I have two hands. Wow. And they make those little things now.
Yeah, the trigger.
And hopefully I can do left-handed and right.
Today in this video, it is Valentine's Day, and we seriously want to wish all you guys a happy Valentine's Day. Find some love in your life. If it's not another human being, let's face it, some of us are not good at loving other humans. Get an RC car, because they're easy to love. They're easy to love. There are a lot of people out there that are bad at loving humans.
They're easy to hate sometimes too.
Yeah, well, oh, you mean...
Oh my gosh.
You mean RCs are hard to hate sometimes? Easy to hate?
Easy to hate.
Yeah, do you want a knife for that? Here,
I do. Okay, so today we are unboxing the Arrma Felony. This came out at the same time as that infraction, but this looks cooler, I think.
I think it looks cooler, yeah, but we really wanted an infraction because we didn't get the Gen 1 infraction.
Right.
The handbrake is in the infraction. You know, we just really wanted to get that added to our collection. And this is what Abby wanted for Valentine's Day. She showed me some pictures of diamonds. She showed me a picture of this. What do you think I'm gonna choose?
Well, you know my birthday is 2 days from now. So.
Guys, this is the worst time of the year.
Hey, what color? What color do you think I picked? I bet you were wrong.
I helped. I told her get what you want, but she wondered what would I get, and I told her after she told me her favorite.
So
and we both picked the same color.
It was the same.
Yeah.
It was hard. It was a hard choice, but I went with.
I hate Arrma for doing this.
And by the way, I just cut the seal. Like, this is my first time.
This is unboxing.
I haven't seen one of these in person.
That's right.
This came out in 2020, right? So we haven't been anywhere to see this.
No. Sadly, we don't really go. We have a 2-year-old daughter, so we we don't really go out a whole lot.
So Arrma Felony 6S Street Basher, ready to run.
Can they even see it? Maybe they can glimpse of it.
Boom.
Oh, it's a matte black
it
too.
Is matte
it just
black.
looks
I didn't know it was gonna be a matte black. It does.
You thought it was kind of glossy?
I thought it'd be a little glossy. But I kind of like them.
glossier.
It reminds me of back when we spray painted our iron check
That's bad. You're saying it looks bad.
No. Yours looked bad. But you were onto something. You made it a matte black, and when it wasn't peeling, it looked pretty good.
Actually, it was orange underneath.
It was orange underneath.
So when the black paint was peeling, it kind of looked like rust and stuff. I think it looked pretty good. It looked bad. We tried.
Who was there with us? If you were there,
Day one.
back in the day.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments. I know a couple of people that were there.
I think there's a wall cag.
Yeah, I definitely did.
I'm pretty sure.
All right. Were we prepared for an unboxing?
I've got a knife, but no zip tie cutter. No zip tie cutter! I never have it ready.
We're never prepared.
Usually you say something really mean and funny about me when I walk away to get the zip tie cutter.
I was looking at my new car.
Yeah.
I also sent Nathan a picture of a Porsche.
Yeah, you did. I said at that, let's just get a Tesla. We can be just as cool.
Can't afford a Tesla.
No, we can't afford any of that stuff. But we did get this. We did get this. We set some pennies aside and got this. I'm going to toss the box.
Probably need to put this on the box.
Okay, alright. Just gonna run it. No.
You gotta have to build the box. Alright, we have a DX3 transmitter Spectrum.
Thank goodness. This radio, if you're new to the DX3 series, these have telemetry, which lets you know if your battery is getting low right to the radio. There's no more guessing involved. You actually have a live little indicator that'll say, hey, you've got 50% juice left, you've got 25% juice left. So there you go. We have to race these, obviously.
Is this it?
Yeah,
is this what goes on the hood?
Mm-hmm. One of them. Ooh, that looks nice. Now you're going to actually have to take one piece out and put another one on. Some screws going to hold those in. Oh. That looks good though, doesn't it?
Let's see. Wow. I was hoping it would just like snap on.
No.
Oh, I like this one.
Screws. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Check it out, guys.
Is this one too?
I love that it has options. It is really nice, yeah.
And there's all sorts of other little parts.
Very, very cool. Very cool.
This comes with a lot of parts.
It's got a lot of extra accessories, extra spare parts.
Oh, there it is.
Opinion.
My speed gear.
Here we go.
That's going in this one. We gotta do it.
Yeah.
We gotta do it for the infraction too. I gotta put some new tires on my infraction.
Hey, we got them ordered. They're here.
Alright. Instruction manual. Okay.
This car is beautiful. Let's check under the hood. This is Abby's new car. I am so jealous, but I have some really good airplanes, like the FW190.
So I really like how it's mixed with the shiny black. So it does have some shiny
gloss on the
spoiler front. There's some stripes back here that are gloss.
I'm so jealous.
Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! Wow.
That's a little different than the infraction, isn't it?
I don't know how different it is. I think the tires are the same.
Yeah, I need to put them side by side.
I know. The tower chassis is about the same. We've got all Spectrum smarted out.
This has so much more function than a diamond. So if you are watching and your wife or you are the one that likes diamonds, try to convince them to get into RCs. There's just way more functionality, right? Like you could have got a little diamond or something instead of this. You could lose that diamond. You could
demolish your RC.
And a demolished RC you can still have fun with.
Listen, I can have fun with diamonds. I wear one every day. I need more.
We got married, you got a diamond.
We got married almost 8 years ago, so come on.
Diamond. And now it's this. This was her choice. Seriously, this is. You make it sound like you are like not happy to have this.
You are making me sound like.
I'm trying to encourage other people to buy RCs instead of diamonds. It's a much better hobby. Why aren't you there too?
I would love it if diamonds could be my hobby. Can we review diamonds?
Wow.
Listen, my birthday is coming up.
It is. So, guys, this runs on a 6S battery, and one thing you can do, you can put a single 6S battery in this car, or you can split 2 3S's in series, and that's what this little plug is for. So if you're going to run one 6S battery, you just leave the plug in, and I'm glad we got this because we are down to one.
Yeah.
And you can take this plug off, and then you can run 2 3S batteries. We highly recommend the Spectrum Smart batteries because they're ridiculous. I don't even consider buying other batteries unless I have to for some reason, because it's like an odd shape or something. Highly recommend them. The best thing is they have the auto storage charge, but now they have a new Gen 2 that doesn't have a balance lead. There's no balance lead on the batteries. So it's not just this car, but it's all of them. It's airplanes and everything. I geek out over that. You can plug the battery into the charger and it knows what the battery is and auto charges as soon as the battery is plugged in on a very safe level. We highly recommend a LiPo bag and Horizon Spectrum if you're listening. I think at the Gen 2 price point and premium quality, I think that you guys need to include a LiPo bag with your chargers. This is just the TheRcSaylors input.
Apparently Horizon wasn't listening. The camera turned off.
I know, yeah, no one cares. Nate's ideas. I'd like to see that. I think it'd be cool. I think a premium charger should have a LiPo bag in there, just my opinion.
So we have like a polar vortex coming through.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah, it's actually like the coldest day of the year is going to be on my birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
February birthday.
I struggle sometimes to get Abby her birthday cake or anything for her birthday. There have been years that I've had to go out in a blizzard, like after work or something, getting off work.
Anybody else with a February birthday that has had parties canceled? February birthdays are the worst.
Well, you can sit inside and admire your car.
I will, because I can't drive it. I'm not going outside. I'm not doing it.
Yeah.
Not doing it.
So I have an idea. I will buy you a new diamond, maybe on like our 10-year anniversary, if we can put it as a hood ornament on this.
No.
Wouldn't that look amazing?
How many GPS meters have we destroyed by putting them on the hood of a car?
Well, we wouldn't drive it.
Crazy.
We wouldn't drive it.
Oh, yeah.
It would just sit there.
No, it
The
can
shelf
sit
queen.
on my...
It would be the shelf
something.
queen. Your neck.
Yeah.
Necklace, maybe.
Meant to be shown off.
Valentine's Day. This was a good one, though. I mean, I like this.
I remember back in the day where I got you an RC vehicle on Valentine's Day.
It was an axial.
Speaking, it's my turn. It only took like 8 years.
Axial. We might have a new axial coming to the channel really soon.
We have a few unboxings we're going to do during this polar vortex. You'll see a speed run of this.
And it's going to be a 2-minute video. Get out of the car. Vroom, 50 miles an hour. Okay, let's go back in. Actually, it says 80 on the box, so I'm wondering.
That's with the gear.
Yeah, if you swap it out. I'm wondering how fast this is going to go. Guys, we're just unboxings for us are so laid back and so casual.
Yeah, we don't do stats. That's what a website's for.
And an instruction manual, and who cares? It's, you know what I do?
I just want to look at it and say, ooh, that's pretty.
When I want to fall asleep at night, I go turn on one of these videos that the guy's like, the motor is a KV motor, and I just...
It'll be like 3 a.m. and I'll be like, Dave, turn that off!
Hey, who is this? Man, now I want the orange one now that this is sitting here, don't you?
You can just be jealous and not have one.
That's what it's gonna have to happen.
You have your 2 Losies.
Yeah, I've got.
There,
I do love my
you guys can see
Losies.
that.
Yeah, I kind of have.
Those are yours.
I know.
Both of them.
Yeah, I kind of
one
have
each color.
adopted the. Well, they were a really good sale. I couldn't pass it up. I've kind of adopted the whole Losi thing, where you've kind of done more of the Arrma thing.
Usually, the only Losies I claim over you are short course tracks.
And I'm fine with that. Yeah, I'm good with that. Yeah.
Everything else is mine. You can have all the Losies.
That's okay
except
because
the short course tracks, and I will take everything else.
You see this? Boom!
That is yours too.
And that's the one that you are. Yeah, that is the world's best monster truck.
We need to get that on the channel. Look, the tires look clean.
They're clean. It's only had a speed run. I know. We're just trying to find the best place to drive it in the winter. It's really hard to get out and drive stuff like that. So, but the speed test will be really awesome on this. We'll probably do some driving with it. All of these things that we're talking about, at least this car, the infraction, they'll be linked in the description box below. And it's really important for you guys to know that if you use those links, you do help support us. So if you like supporting the idea of a local hobby shop or small families, especially with our morals that we have on our channel, if you like that, you value that, and you want to support us, use those links. Even if you don't want to buy this car, but you want to go buy an airplane, a Losi, anything. You can use that link. It'll open up the link to this car, and then you can just go search for whatever you want to buy. As long as you get it while you're there, after you click our link, we'll get some credit for it. You know, it doesn't cost you an extra penny, and I'm just letting you guys know that because
it helps us buy more RCs like this.
We get a lot of comments that people will say, oh my gosh, I love your videos. You guys are amazing. Your wholesome content means the world to me and my family. And because of your video, I went to the hobby shop where I don't know anybody, and I bought the car there. And I say, I really wish you would have used our link because we might have made a couple bucks off of that, especially if we helped you consider buying it, you know? And so don't think that our videos are, you know, we bought this with our hard-earned money mixed with a little Patreon money. So our opinion of it is just our opinion of it. Take it with a grain of salt, whatever. But if you find something on the channel that is actually amazing for the money, like this little car, yeah, buy it through our link, you know? But don't buy it because we said so, buy it because you want to. But, you know, please use the links. That's all I gotta say. This is an amazing hobby. Are you happy with your Valentine's present?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
All right.
I'll kiss you off camera. And maybe after you shave some.
I do need to show you.
You've got...
Oh, stickers and baby dude.
It's like grandpa.
Yeah, I didn't know that. What sticker was that? Ice cream shop?
I think so. It was an ice cream shop.
Yes. This has been, honestly, it's been a good Valentine's Day. It's been a pretty good weekend and stuff, and I hope you enjoy yours. I love my cookies. I love my cookies. And you got the new car. How's that work out? I'm happy.
Because the patrons love me.
we love you. Guys, we are very grateful. I'm grateful for just being alive today. The heart's pumping and here we are, so thank God for that. Also, a massive thank you to our Patreon supporters because we really did videos like this and the content that is coming to the channel. This car is because of our Patreon supporters. We say we couldn't do our channel without you because we mean it. We could not buy things like this all the time. We would always be showing small things like this all the time. If not for our Patreon supporters that go above and beyond. You guys make up the difference on the channel when we cannot do it ourselves. And so we thank you, we thank you, we thank you. I don't know how else to say it. That's why we say it in every video. So, we did have a blast with the Arrma infraction. I think we should do the speed test because that is literally the fastest RC car on our channel. That video was amazing. The weather was warmer than it is now. It was ridiculous and I can't wait to get back to that warm weather. So let's all dream together for warm weather. That video is popping up right about now. Let's all go there and watch it. Leave a comment when you're there. Tell us what the warm weather looks like. Oh my goodness, about a month or two and it'll get warm again. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you over there.
Bye.